Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best back stretcher chair on the market, the Sunny Health and Fitness Hyperextension Roman Chair with Dip Station. If you're someone who spends hours sitting or working out and struggles with back discomfort or wants to strengthen your core and upper body, this could be the perfect piece of equipment for you. This multifunctional Roman chair is designed to enhance lumbar stretching and improve posture. It provides excellent decompression and targeted back relief, making it ideal not just for fitness enthusiasts but also for those looking to relieve back pain and fatigue. Whether you're recovering from a back injury or simply want to maintain a healthy spine, the gentle hyperextension stretches this bench offers can help support your rehabilitation and promote faster healing. One standout feature is the built-in dip bars, which are great for upper body workouts. These bars let you focus on strengthening your shoulders and arms while improving joint stability and flexibility. This means you get more than just a back stretcher. You get a full upper body workout station that targets multiple muscle groups effectively. The Sunny Health and Fitness Roman Chair comes with 3 adjustable incline levels, allowing you to vary your workouts and challenge your body in different ways. This versatility means you can perform a range of strength and training exercises using just one piece of equipment. Plus, there are 10 different height adjustment settings, so you can personalize the bench to fit your body perfectly and maintain proper alignment during exercises. Comfort is a key aspect of this product. It is equipped with high-density foam padding and padded handles that minimize pressure points. This thoughtful design ensures you can lean into your bends, twists, sit-ups, and hyperextensions comfortably, allowing for longer and more effective workout sessions without discomfort. Constructed with durable alloy steel, the frame supports up to 330 pounds, making it sturdy and reliable for various users. The overall dimensions make it compact enough to fit in a home gym without taking up too much space, while still providing a solid platform for your exercises. In summary, the Sunny Health and Fitness Hyperextension Roman Chair with Dip Station is a versatile and durable back stretcher chair that also doubles as a dip station for upper body strengthening. It offers customizable settings for height and incline, superior comfort with foam padding, and a strong build to handle intense workouts. Whether you're aiming to relieve back pain, improve posture, or build upper body strength, this equipment could be an excellent addition to your fitness routine. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in improving your back health and upper body strength with one smart, multifunctional device, the Sunny Health and Fitness Roman Chair is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.